What's up, guys? It's Brain Bean here again, coming at you from the Alienware booth down here at E3, and I'm joined by Ray Watkins from Alienware. We're going to take a look at a new mouse and headset from Alienware. So I'm going to go ahead and let you just take it away.
Awesome, thanks. So as everybody remembers, last year we launched our keyboard and our mice, and we brought all that stuff to market. This time around, we're actually revamping the mouse. So the new mouse this year is coming out, and what we've decided to do was slim it down a little bit. So that way, if you don't have large hands, you can still grab it. One of the things I'd like to point out to you is that this is the fact that Alienware is committed to peripherals. We released the mouse last year, and old Alienware would have been content with that. We wanted to improve upon it, so that's what we went ahead and did. We slimmed it down, made it more usable. Still the same technology inside of it, except now it can be used by more hands than just people with large gorilla hands.
Gotcha. So you found that the consumers were kind of telling you, based on their feedback, that this was just one thing about the mouse that we found could be changed or be a little bit better, more accessible to everybody that's out there using it?
Absolutely. Our customers spoke loud and clear. We heard them, and I mean, from one year to the next, here we released a second mouse to come out and make sure that we have that taken care for them. The other thing that we're actually bringing to market this year is our wireless gaming headphones. We actually haven't done a pair of headphones in almost 9 years. And this is actually Alienware's first pair of wireless headphones. So I'm going to bring them over. And before you ask, well, it looks like it's wired. It is. It's wired on the E3 show floor because we don't want it to walk off. Okay. The headset. We've designed it to be long-lasting, comfortable. So it folds flat, so it's easy to stow away. While upright, it's got the balance to stand on its own. You can tell by the ID that it matches all of the Alienware ID across every other product. All of the lights change through our command center software. And then the microphone is nicely stowed up in here. And when you pull it down, it's being in use. And when it's up, it's not. And actually, if you want to put them on for a second.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Pull the microphone down on the side.
Yeah, so you get that actual audible cue that says, hey, your mic is on, so don't say anything stupid in this matter you don't want going on.
It'll tell you mic off as well.
Nice.
And I like to refer to that as the don't put your foot in your mouth.
Exactly, exactly. Very nice. And they are very comfortable, lightweight as well.
Absolutely.
And one of my favorite things about it too is that the shape. Because like for me, my ears are kind of big, and I've always said that every time that I review any type of headset is that I don't like my ears rubbing inside the ear cups, and this is nice. I really like that form factor.
Well, also for 7.1 gaming, I love the fact that we're able to get your entire ear in, and even though they're not noise canceling, it's noise suppressing because you have the whole cushion covering your ear. We also use a sports mesh. I've been using this headset for about 2 months now. I'm on conference calls all the time. I get about 6 hours, 6.5 hours before my ears actually start feeling warm.
Yeah, it's nice. I really enjoy it. I mean, the ergonomics of it are very comfortable, and that's a very important aspect of a headset, especially too, that's another thing. I'm wearing my glasses right now, and when you wear glasses with a headset, that's a constant point of fatigue that will really like dig into you. And that mesh material as well too, let you feel it. It's not like smashing into you.
It's soft enough where you feel the support in your glasses, but it's not putting pressure on your face. The other part is if you look, when they're held open wide, this is a nice wide arch, so it's gripping your head well, but it's not squeezing your head. A bunch of other cool features. Obviously, audio settings features for quick fly movements, mute button if you don't want to use the mic up and down, volume controls, but this is one of the ones I like the most. It's our chat mixer. So when you're playing a game and you're in like Discord or something like that, you're able to mix like a DJ mixes. So if you want more volume on your audio, on the game audio, roll it one way. If you want more audio on your buddies in game, roll it the other way. And it will actually mix more audio power to the two different audio sources.
Yeah, and that's really cool and handy to have too, because a lot of times I'll find playing a game that it's like the game is so loud you can't hear what people are saying, and you don't want to have to take the time to minimize the game or go to the menus to change it. And so that's nice to be able to just roll it right there on the headset.
Absolutely. Or you have that one jerk friend whose mic volume is at 9 every time. It's like you have to like adjust for them only. Yeah. So it's nice to be able to have that feature built in.
Absolutely.
What do you think?
I like it. I mean, it's really comfortable, lightweight, like you said. And for me, that's the most important part about a headset. It's got to be comfortable.
And foremost.
Yeah, and the freedom of the wireless capability as well is huge in that factor, because even the small like quality of life things, like being able to get up from the computer with the headset on, continue your conversation with your friends while you're going to the fridge to grab a drink or something like that. You don't realize how much of an impact that makes quality of life until you actually start doing it too.
You're the jerk that gets up and your headphones rip off your head.
Yeah.
That's the best part about it. They get about an extra, 30 to 40 feet of range. Okay. Great battery life. We're actually doing 2.4 gigahertz audio over Bluetooth because we're gaming headphones. We want to make sure that they have better sound, minimal lag, minimal interference, and we found that that's the best way to do it.
Excellent. And when is this headset available now?
Now.
Today. All right, guys. Well, you heard it right here from the showroom floor at E3. Thank you, Ray, for your time today.
Absolutely.
Really appreciate it. Guys, we'll have more content coming for you in the near future very soon, right here from E3. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Our coverage of E3 was made possible by Bloody Gaming. Be sure to check out that exclusive coupon code down in the description below. Also, if you're new here on the channel, be sure to subscribe because we're going to have continuing coverage of the event all week long. From the showroom floor here at E3, we'll see you guys next time.